or the phone call charges. Suppose that the cost of an overseas call is $9 for, I highlighted the key term, okay? $9 for the first 3 minutes or less, plus 95 cents for each additional minute. Your goal is to write a function for the cost of the call for X minute. Too many color, huh? All right. Assume that a fraction of a minute over 3 minutes is charges the corresponding fraction of 95 cents. From the information that we have, your goal is to find the cost function, and I'm going to name is the CX. Okay. And what is X? X is the number of the minutes. So this is the total cost or the cost. And the X is the minutes, the number of minutes. Now, look at the information that we have. For the first 3 minutes or less, key term, right? First 3 minutes or less, you pay $9. We're gonna have the option here for X as the number of the minutes. Starting making a phone call, starting at the point 0 of the time, right at the mark of the 3 minutes. So do you include 3 or not include 3? What do you think?
Yes.
We include 3, yes. For X from 0 up until 3, the cost, the C of the X gonna be $9. Okay, and the other part of the problem said for the additional minute, that means for any minute beyond 3 minutes. So I put the option as for X greater than 3. Okay, the cost of the charge gonna be whatever that you already used for the first 3 minutes, right? The $9 that you have to pay because it's already beyond 3 minutes. Plus side, okay, plus 95 cents for additional minute. 95 cents, since you use 9 for $9, so the unit, the number that you use here, 95 cents, it has to be in the decimal form, which is 0.95 for additional minute. That means if you call 4 minutes, how many additional minutes after 3? Gonna be 1, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So the 95 cents gonna be multiplied by the extra minute beyond 3. So whatever the extra minute is the subtraction of the total minus 3. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna put the note here as this is the additional minute.
Yeah, and the 3 is just accounting for the 3 minutes you've already spent at
Right,
night.
right. So this is for the first 3 minutes.
Can you go over this again? The last part?
The last part, okay. Are you okay with this one?
Yes.
Okay, and the second part here is built from the condition that if you call more than 3 minutes, you're gonna pay $9 for the first 3, and for the additional minute, you spend 95 cents per those extra minute. For example, if you call, I put at other than 4, okay? If you call 5 minutes, okay, you're gonna have to break it down to the first 3 minutes and the additional minute. Are you okay with that? Gonna be 3 plus 2, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And for these 3 minutes, you pay $9. And for the additional 2 minutes, you're gonna pay 95 cents for those additional minutes. So
Thank
far, so
you.
good. You're welcome. So instead of, actually, we don't know how many additional minutes. So we're gonna put as the general form as the total minute minus 3. So this group or this expression x minus 3 represents additional minutes like beyond 3 minutes. All right. Now we have all together in here, and let's check. For example, technically, if x equals 3, 3 minus 3, the second part of the expression gonna be gone. It's gonna go back to 9 no matter what. So for this case, we can put it as the cx as a cost function, and then use it as, it's called the piecewise defined function, which the function represents options for the unknown. For the first option, for x between 0 and 3, the cost function will go with $9. And for the second option, for x greater than 3, the cost will go with the one that we put on the side here, as 9 plus 0.95 multiplied by x minus 3. And this is the answer or the model to represent the phone call charges for this problem. And this one is called piecewise defined function. So it depends on the condition of the unknown.